Model, 67-plate Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Enterprise camper, Cambelt, issue. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 91,282. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. The Cambelt has snapped. Condition summary, in good condition all around, definitely worth repairing. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, air con, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.